This video is about homework problems in the section of fundamental theorem for the line integrals. The problem is like this. We have been given a vector functions fxy. The question is this function conservative vector field or not? Okay. There is a fundamental theorem of the line integral. They say something like this. This theorem says something like this. If your f here is your vector function, is like write as p xy I plus q xy j. If p and q they have first continuous derivatives, then f conservative equivalent to say this equation is true. Partial p respect to y equal to partial q respect to x. Okay. So by the theorem, to tell the given vector field f is conservative or not, what do you need to do to check this equation? Okay. So for this problem, what we need to do is find, so your p here for this problem is sine xy plus x cosine xy times y, and your q here is x squared cosine xy. So what do we need to do? Just to find the two partial derivative and check they're equal or not. Okay, now let's find the partial p respect to y first. Okay, so we take a derivative of the first term, give you cosine xy. Okay, we're taking partial derivative respect to y, so you treat x as a constant. So you got a cosine xy, then take a derivative inside respect to y, so give you x. Then plus take derivative of second term. Second term taking derivative respect to y, so you treat x as a constant. Okay. Now second term have two, you can consider as two functions of y multiplied together. So we can use a product rule. Okay. X is a constant, you can put that out. Okay. Now let's take a derivative of first term respect to y, give you negative sine xy, then take derivative inside respect to y, give you x, and keep this y here, you have y there. Then plus fix first term, which is cosine xy, then take derivative of second term, give you 1. Okay, let me simplify this a little bit. Okay, we have x cosine xy, we have another x cosine xy, so we got a 2x cosine xy. Okay, and another term is a minus x squared y sine xy. Okay, let's give you partial f respect to y, a partial p respect to y. Now let's find a partial q respect to x. Okay, my q there is x squared, so you're taking derivative respect to x on this function, x squared cosine xy. Okay. So we need to use product rule for this. Take derivative of first term, give you 2x cosine xy, then plus fix x squared, take derivative of second one, give you minus sine xy, then take derivative of inside, this time is respect to x, so they give you y there. Okay. Simplify this, give you 2x cosine xy, then minus x squared y sine xy. Obviously, we have what? For this problem, we have partial p respect to y give you equal to partial q respect to x. So by the theorem, we can say this F vector field is conservative.